Hi, welcome to Formula. Does your team manage requests through endless emails, Slack messages, or spreadsheets? In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to turn Google Forms into a powerful workflow tool for any team. So requests get submitted, tracked, and completed automatically. First, you want to go to the Google Workspace Marketplace, search Form Mailer Email Notification, and click on Install. In my previous videos, I showed you step by step how to do this, or you can simply click on the link in the description and it will take you straight to Form Mailer on Google Workspace Marketplace. Next, you want to go to your Google Forms. For this video, I already have a form set up. You can make one or create one as you go. You want to insert the essential fields that your team will be needing, or anyone submitting this form, the information anyone submitting this form will need to input. Next, you want to click on add-ons, form mailer. Your form mailer is automatically linked to the accounts, the email accounts you used while setting up your form mailer, while installing your form mailer. Manage. Next, you would see sender's name, and in this you want to set up the name that is known to your team, your clients, internal or internal systems personnel that will be receiving this form. Next, we're going to set up two emails. So you want to navigate to email templates. The first is the respondents. This is what your client or your internal team receives after submitting the form. Here you can set up your email. You can also change the size, text, insert link, insert an image, change the text line, whatever you need to do that matches the style your internal flow currently uses. And to insert a field from your mail, all you have to do is click on insert fields from mail and click on what you want inserted from your mail. Save changes. Next is the internal team mail. This is what your internal team receives when a mail is being submitted. So click on that. And setting it up is the exact same process of setting up your respondent's mail. Only difference is with your internal team mail, you can set up all the fields that you might want them to see whenever a form is submitted, and so they can either proceed with fulfillment um, or request issue solving as well. And all you have to do is set this up same way you'd set up the respondent's mail, with all the additional details that you might need them to see to proceed with fulfilling a request, and save changes. Now you would go to your recipient's details. So this is the detail of everyone on your team you want receiving the mail as well. Example, let's do Stella. That's company name. Come and press enter. You can insert as many team members as you'd like and save changes. And that's it. Your form mailer is all set up. Now let's test your form. Copy. Let us insert into the essential fields. let's just say form. Click submit. Your internal team and also whoever is submitting the form, a client or also a team member, will get an email notification instantly. So like you can see here, the email is being received from Workflow Mailer, which is the sender's detail that has been imputed into your form mailer. So this again should be a name that the team recognizes or your client recognizes as well. And here they receive all the details from the form that you want them to receive, all set up here so they can go about with the next steps. And the respondent also receives a mail stating that your team has received the mail and the details you want them to see after the mail has also been submitted from their own end. And that is it. We're done setting up the flow, we're done testing our mail. With Form Mailer, you receive 10 free emails per month. And to upgrade, all you have to do is click on add-ons, manage your account. On Form Mailer, with $3 a month, you get 15,000 emails monthly, 24-hour support, and $30 a year, you get 15,000 emails monthly, 16% discount, 24 hours support. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to get your team to download Form Mailer, use Form Mailer in your organization, and make this a critical part of your workflow system. Let me know whatever tutorial you might love to see next. Thank you so much. Bye, and see you in our next tutorial.